Hello, good evening. You are welcome in the zoology class organized by Society of Career Technology and Jan Vikas Mahasabha. Today we will discuss about chart making as a career because after this corona crisis, there is shortage of time for both teachers and students, and it is a challenge that within a short time how the teaching courses syllabus can be completed. Here comes the importance of teaching aids, the chart, model making and PowerPoint presentation, etc. Now they have become an essential part of the educational system for every teacher. I have seen that earlier charts were brought in different departments and the suppliers prepared them from professionals. They just took the diagram from a textbook and made it accordingly. But you just see the shortcoming of this system. This is a diagram of blood vascular system of Harmania. This is the real diagram which has been given in the books. If a teacher has to describe it in the class of 40 minutes, it is also difficult for him. And if a student has to reply it in examination, in 35 minutes he has to reply a question, he has to make the diagram also, and he has to make the description also, the time will become short. For that case, an experienced teacher will try to simplify this diagram. Suppose you can see here that here the elementary canal have been simplified diagrammatic representation, and from the cardiovisceral also branches come out, from the branchiovisceral vessel also branches come out, and it's, in spite of leveling it 2 times, it has been leveled separately here. So this type of diagram is sufficient, convenient and comfortable. Similarly, suppose you have to make a diagram of heart. This is the real diagram given in the books. You can see this, although this is correct diagram. This is the internal structure. But this whole diagram, if it has been to be made by a teacher in the class, that is also difficult. And if a student has to make it in the examination, it is also difficult. I had read a very interesting book long ago. That was Science of Biology by Paul B. Witsch, W-E-I-S-Z. It is a very interesting, very beautiful book. I have not seen any other book like that. Nowadays also this new edition of this book is available in market. So from the Paul B. Witsch book, Science of Biology, I could learn this, that for teaching and for teachers also and for the students also, simplified diagrams should be made, and such diagrams should be made in the charts for teaching purposes. You can see here although this is not a real diagram, it is a diagrammatic representation. But here, this diagram is depicting all the necessary informations, that there is a left atrium, right atrium, left ventricle, right ventricle. This diagram can be made for teaching purpose also and by the students also in the examination. So if a chart having this type of diagram will be much more helpful for teaching purposes. Similarly, so one important thing which I would like to emphasize you, that in any diagram, whether it is PowerPoint presentation or a chart being used in the class teaching, the font size of the letter should be such that it should be visible to all 50-60 students available in the class. It should be such a big size in letter that it can be seen by all students. If you are making it by a PowerPoint presentation also, you should be very clear that what should be the font size of the letter size. Or if you are making it by hand, then two upper and lower lines can be drawn and the letter can be written in by a whiteboard marker that will be visible to students. And there is one more thing, the leveling should not be much more crowded. If there are too much leveling, then there is another procedure that you can simply use word 1, 2, 3 or detail can be written just below in the leveling. How to make a diagram, I would show you practically that how this diagram is made and how the leveling is made. Just see it. Which is suitable for class teaching purpose. It should be made by adding two charts and this pen should be used. For leveling, leveling should be done in between two straight lines, then only the letter size will be appropriate. These are the eyelashes, then this is the eyelid, upper eyelid and lower eyelid. Attempt should be made that most of the leveling should come in the right hand side, less leveling should come in the left hand side. That gives a good appearance. This is the lens. Six muscles are there, 4 rectus muscles and 2 more. They are for rotation of the eye inside the orbit. Our Society of Career Technology has also taken this project to get it manufactured such charts, and it will be supplied to different schools and colleges and coaching institutions for the benefit of both students and teachers. In the beginning, any science student gets it difficult to make such diagrams in the beginning. I was also upset in the beginning, but after a practice, such diagram can be made within 5 to 10 minutes, and then it has a cost benefit also. For some leveling, it can be just that this is aqueous humor. So here it can be leveled at AH, and the detail aqueous humor can be written in the lower leveling. This is the vitreous humor. Every year in the month of January and February, when there are practical examinations of 10th, 12th and graduation classes, thousands and thousands charts are made by the students, and they are of substandard quality. After the practical examination and the viva, the charts are thrown outside in garbage. If some of the schools have taken this decision that such charts can be made by the students, which can be kept by the name of that student in the departmental lab or library, that will be a lasting effort. So it can be a good career for you. Also, thank you very much.